Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying the remote model because the how and why differ. Siri Remote uses a built-in rechargeable battery. Older Apple remotes use a CR2032 coin cell. Once you confirm the model, gather a lightning cable for charging or a fresh CR2032 plus a coin or thin pry tool for the battery hatch. Now power down or isolate the Apple TV so you don't trigger menus while working. This step prevents accidental pairing or commands and prepares you to proceed safely. You proceed based on the model. For Siri Remote, plug it into a stable power source with a lightning cable. Charging 30 minutes gives usable power, while a full charge may take longer because the internal battery is sealed. For an older remote, use a coin or gentle pry to open the battery hatch. Remove the old CR2032 and install the new cell with the plus side up so contacts align. Once done, make sure to verify the charge level in Settings, Remotes, and Devices to confirm a successful change. You finish by snapping the cover back or unplugging the cable and testing every function. Navigation, play/pause, volume, and Siri. If the remote still misbehaves, first reboot the Apple TV and try repairing. Hold menu and volume up for several seconds to initiate pairing. If problems persist, perform a remote reset or clean the battery contacts with a small isopropyl swab, because dirt or corrosion often prevents good connections. This single troubleshooting move resolves most post-replacement failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.